Hi everybody, I'm Susan from Seniorstyle. Hope you're having a great day. It's rainy here in BC. Hopefully it's going to be nice tomorrow. So we'll see what happens. Thanks for all the well wishes regarding my hand. I have my cast off, but it still hurts. So it's going to hurt for a while, unfortunately, but you just have to kind of work it and hope for the best. That's all you can do. Well, I do have an unboxing that I was influenced by Jessiestyle. I'll leave her information below. She was gifted these items. I was not, but I do accept gifts. So if Naomi Crafted wants to send me some gifts, that's great. I'll more than happy to take them. However, I thought it was pretty cool because it's Hermes dust bags that she makes all these different things, and it's really reasonably priced, even in Canadian money. So usually in Canada, you have taxes on tax, and then they add another tax just for fun, you know, stuff like that. So anyways, I am using my Speedy 30 today, classic, and every time I bring out my Speedy 30, it starts raining. It never fails. And I have the Samorga organizer in there. So that's what I'm rocking today. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Okay, it comes in a box like that. Let's see here. Oh, they have a little pull tab, so. All right, I'll do it with my good hand. It's nice to get the cast off, though. Anybody that's had a cast will totally understand. I'm 64, never had a cast, so I guess it was time. All right, nothing in the box. All right, it comes like this, package, really nice. I don't know where this comes from. I think it's Australia, but I'm not really sure. I'll leave you all the details below, but it comes in a Ziploc bag. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, yeah, it's really nice. Wow, it's nicer than I thought. So it's real Hermes dust bags that she uses, along with the real Hermes ribbon. Wow, look at that. This is very cool. Yeah, I think I need some more pieces. All right, and let's see here. Oh, they even stuff it. So it comes with stuffing. Wow, and you even get, look inside, you get a little thing here. Little pouch. Wow. This is made like really well. Jeez. Leather on the bottom? That doesn't feel like vinyl to me. Ribbon. Real Hermes ribbon. Look at that. Wow. And I got it to go with my Hermes Pinkerton in orange. 22 size. Yeah, it's got the feet on the bottom. And I got the Hermes shopping bag charm. I got that from Yogi's Closet. Highly recommend Yogi's Closet. I'll link their website below. They are having a sale, so make sure that you take advantage of that. And then inside this is also an orange heather some more organizer, and I'll leave the discount code below. All right, so that's what I'm using this for. And to get one at Hermes in Canada, the least expensive cosmetic case that I found was almost $1,000 Canadian. And it wasn't even this nice. Wow. This is really unbelievable. And like I said, I was not gifted anything. I purchased this. Oh, wow. And it even has a zipper on the inside. Oh, I didn't even see that. Wow. Yeah, you get a zipper and then you get a little side slit here. You get a little side slit there. Leather on the bottom, like I said, the ribbon. And this is real ribbon from Hermes, and this is a real dust bag. All right, so if you guys have any of Naomi's pieces, let me know in the comments. But yeah, they're definitely worth the money. Jeez, they're better than you would expect. Seriously. I've had several things made from original parts and all that type of thing, and they're not made as well as this. There's no loose stitches, or the zipper's nice. It's just like butter. All right. Yeah, this is very cool. All right, well, I'm glad I took Jessiestyle's advice to get them. I did use the discount code, and basically that covers the tax. So, I mean, it does help a little bit. But yeah, these are nicer than you think. And this is all smooth leather. It's very smooth. Wow. This is pretty cool. All right, so I'll be looking forward to using this. This is the Glam & Go, I believe. I'll put all the information below just in case I don't know what I'm talking about. But I believe it is called the Glam & Go. All right, so until next time, make sure you like, subscribe, share, and comment. And trying to get to 1,000 so I can do my giveaway. So please subscribe, tell a friend, all that fun stuff. All right, thanks for watching my unboxing of my Glam & Go cosmetic bag or pouch, or it's very nice. All right, until next time, thanks for watching Susan from Seniorstyle with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys, and thanks again for your support. Bye now.